Avodah Zarah, Parakein Ma'amidim Daf Chav Tes, sponsored the Refuah Shlema for Lev Elimelech Ephraim and Rachel Ita Pesach. The Gemara discusses the dispute of Rabbi Meir and the Chachamim regarding Gentile haircuts. Rabbi Meir prohibits them anywhere. The sages permit them in a public domain, or according to a brisa, even in a private domain, if the Jew watches him cutting in a mirror, creating an impression he is a dignitary. The Ran permits mirrors where men use them. Chana bar Bizna once was threatened by his barber, castigated himself for not adopting Rabbi Meir's stringent opinion. Despite this, the Rambam decided in favor of the sages. A Jew cutting a Gentile's hair must stop 3 finger handbreadths in all directions before his idolatrous lock. Now we move on to a new Mishnah. Prohibited items belonging to idolaters. Number 1, wine. The reason, he may have poured it as a libation to his idol. The source, a verse compares their wine to their offerings. Zivchei mesim, the offerings of the dead. The prohibition of benefiting from a dead person is learned from Miriam by way of Gzera Shava to Egla Rufa, that atones like an offering and prohibited from benefit. Number 2, wine that turned into vinegar. The reason, there is a concern he offered it as a libation when it was still wine. However, if he purchased the vinegar from a Jew, A Jew can benefit from it because idolaters do not use vinegar for libations. B, it requires only 1 seal because he will not tamper with it, not for a libation or to exchange it for better quality Jewish vinegar. Number 3, Gentile cooked wine. The reason, there is a concern he offered it as a libation before cooking it. However, kosher cooked wine requires only 1 seal because he will not tamper with it. He does not use it for libations, nor is there a concern he will tamper with the seal to switch it with better quality Jewish wine. Number 4, Hadrianic earthenware. The reason, it is soaked to extract the absorbed wine. Number 5, Oros levuvim, animal skins with holes opposite the heart. The reason, idolaters would extract and offer the hearts to their idols. Rabbi Shimon Gamliel holds they are forbidden only if the cut is round. Number 6, meat intercepted before entering a place of idolatry is permitted. On the way out is prohibited. The reason, probably the meat came from an animal offered to an idol. Number 7, one may not conduct business with idolaters on a pilgrimage, but permitted during their return. The reason, they will offer thanks to their idols upon their arrival. However, after their departure, they will not return to offer thanks. Number 8, wine containers, leather flasks, or earthenware jugs. The reason, kosher wine absorbs the flavor of the non-kosher wine previously stored in them for after 12 to 24 hours. Rabbi Meir holds their benefit is prohibited. The sages prohibit their consumption. Number 9, pulp. The reason, Rabbi Meir holds the pulp has the same law as wine. Sages hold up to 12 months. Wine is still contained in the pulp. Its law is like wine. After 12 months, the wine content dried. It can even be eaten. Number 10, fish oil and cheese from base unniki. The reason, wine may have been mixed in the oil. The rennet used to make the cheese in this place came from animals used as sacrifices for idolatry. The Mishnah discusses the prohibition of Gentile cheese. Rabbi Yeshua holds the rennet used to curdle the cheese comes from non-slaughtered animals or from those used for idol worship. If you're enjoying Daf 5, please click on the link below, subscribe, and become a sponsor. Thank you.